we are seeing the second Sita's friend, nature. In Ayodhya Kanda, Rama says to Sita, Sakhi vacha vigahasva Site mandakinim nadim kamalanyavamajjanti pushkarani cha bhamini. Site, oh Sita, look at this Mandakini. This river flows. Feel that this Mandakini is your friend. Sita's friend is also nature. She has a nature loving attitude. This Rama describes in Kishkinda Kanda. Shutvaitasya pura shabdam ashramastha mama priya mama hoya pramudita paramam pratyanandata. Can you hear this birds singing? He talks to Lakshmana. Before, in Panchavati or Chitrakutam, hearing this bird, Sita also used to hum its singing. She used to repeat how it sings. This is how Sita used to be. I don't know how she is right now. Sarasaravasannadehi Sarasaravanaadini Yashrame Ramate Bala Sadyame Ramate Katham Yapura Kalahamsana Swarena Kalabhashini Buddhyate Charu Sarvangi Sadyame Buddhyate Katham Pushpitan Shasanan Drishtva Kanchanani Vanirmalan Katham Saramate Bala Pashyanti Mam Apashyati. Can you hear these Sarasas and Chakravaka birds